or if they make an ILR application before these changes come into effect, whether they will be affected anyway. We've kind of touched on this previously, and it is among the list of our frequently asked questions. If you want, I can answer that as well. So the general legal principle in UK immigration law is that applications are decided under the rules in force at the date of submission. So, for example, today's date is 18th December of 2025. If someone submits an ILR application today, even if their decision comes in 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 months, that application would be considered according to the rules that were in force on 18 December 2025. Any changes that come afterwards would not affect them. Essentially, the application submission dates act as a bit of a freezing date. Everything kind of stops and things get considered as they were at the time. Another question that we kind of got quite a bit was related to British citizens, or rather spouses and dependents of British citizens. I can also kind of repeat and touch on that a little bit. The current consultation states that spouses of British citizens will not be affected by this consultation, and they are not a part of this. However, as Nusrana mentioned, we have some concerns with that statement because it does not state or clarify who is considered the spouse of a British citizen. Do they mean to say anyone on Appendix FM route? So, you know, spouses and partners of pre-settled or settled status holders, ILR holders, British citizens, refugee and humanitarian protection, and all sorts of other people who benefit from the Appendix FM route? Or do they mean like ILR holders and their spouses are fine? What if the sponsor spouse acquires British citizenship while the dependent spouse is still on immigration? These are all still very open concepts that the Home Office is exploring, or they have simply not thought about it, and they are just playing to the masses. We are unsure, but it's definitely one of the topics that we've mentioned in our own consultation notes, and we definitely expect a clarification on that one from the Home Office themselves.